Chef Justin Timmery here with Fresh from Florida, and today we are making a Florida watermelon sunrise. We've made our own watermelon nectar. We're utilizing Florida vodka, and it is going to be delicious. So come on around and let's get started. I know you guys are going to love it. So what I did is I took my Florida watermelon and I got some nice big chunks out, and I pureed it in my little mini blender here to make my very own watermelon nectar. We've got our shaker. Let's go ahead and get it filled with ice. We want our cocktail nice and cold. Okay, we've got our shaker filled with ice. Now it's time to start adding our ingredients. We've got our Florida vodka here. Now, this is a great brand of Florida vodka. There are also other brands of Florida vodkas, but I really want to encourage you to look for Florida-made spirits when you can, because there are some really great ones out there. This one in particular is delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and add our vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go ahead and add our watermelon nectar. It smells delicious. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is just add a little squeeze of fresh lime juice to this. Help brighten it up just a little bit. Get that going right in. Okay, so we've got our Florida vodka, our fresh watermelon nectar that we made, and just a little bit of fresh lime juice in our shaker with a bunch of ice. And we're gonna shake this up vigorously so it's ice cold. Give it a final good shake. We've got our martini glasses that had ice water in them. We've drained those out. And now it's time to go ahead and pour in. The final ingredient in our recipe is topping with just a little bit of ginger beer. It's a little stronger, really tastes like ginger. Just a little bit on top. It's gonna give it a nice little zing. We've got some orange sherbet. So this is orange sherbet that has been melted down, and this is a really fun little garnish for the top of these drinks. It's really going to bring you back to childhood. We're just going to take a little bit of this and drizzle this around. It's going to add some great fun and flavor. Our final garnish are just some wonderful little skewers that I made with some tropical fruit that is all in season. We're just going to add those on. And this is a little bit of dragon fruit, some fresh papaya, and some mango, and that's it. Our Florida watermelon sunrise. So we finished our Florida watermelon sunrise beverages, and they smell delicious. For this recipe and many other delicious recipes, go to followfreshfromflorida.com. Make sure when you're out there shopping to support your farmers, ranchers, and fishermen, and look for that Fresh from Florida logo. In the meantime, keep cooking, and we'll see you later.